Okay, so I got Nick over there being my key man. I'm gonna check voltage first. Okay, 1259. Okay, got it. Just put the key into run. Don't start it, just run. Let me know.
Should be on run.
The dash light up? Whoa, I said light up, not hit start.
I don't see anything lighting up, but okay.
Yeah, because we have no power at the coil. Okay, keep moving that key around. Don't move it
Just
to start.
jiggle it.
Yeah, I got you.
But I just want to see if the oil pressure light will come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we have 6 volts at the coil. 594 to 6. Okay, put it in neutral. Okay. Okay, it's in neutral. We have 6 volts with the key on. Start it. And as soon as you went to run, it shut off, huh?
Yep.
Okay, do it again. Let's get it to try to run. Yeah. It's got to be that ignition switch.
Yeah.
Get it to fire up, and let's try to get it to stay lit.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. There.
And it's fluctuating way too much from 9 to 10,
10,
down
9,
to 7.
8, 7, 7. Give it some RPM. Got 5.
Yeah, it's still bouncing, dude. It's going from 7 to 10 to 9 to 7 to 10 to
Yeah.
13.
18. Oh, wow. 7. Now, keep it lit. Okay, rev it. Hold it up. Hold the RPM up. Okay, so that's telling me that the alternator and the regulator are doing their job.
Yep.
So this is definitely ignition switch because it's spiking. And the other problem is it has a Pertronics in it, and those things really like the constant 12 volts. We don't like this low voltage shit.
Yep.
Huh. Alright, so I want to chase. See this wire here? That's a factory wire. Now usually those have a resistor in them.
You're awfully close to that belt, Bobby. Be careful.
I know, I see. So there's our first issue. So, off topic. Can you see it here? The shot today. That the phone actually turned off when we were doing the last segment. But I said off topic, and I was reaching in here. Gary, this shock that's supposed to be new, buddy. That's not new. That's leaking. That's bad. So that needs to be discussed as well.